Hey guys, this is Austin, and who are you?
I'm Danny.
Yeah, he's finally on his channel for once. Yeah, and Austin and Danny, yeah, we make DNA. Ha, that's why our channel's called that.
DNA.
Anyways, so this is motorbike video 2. We're trying to figure out a way to mount the engine, this thing, onto that. So then we can make it powerized.
We got the stuff out of the scrap bin.
Yeah, we got the stuff out of the scrap bin, this blue metal, and that pair of wheels. This motor, my dad was like, here, have it. This motor, he wants to use to make, what did you want to make?
I don't know. Might make my own motorcycle bike thing.
Cool.
So, yeah.
So, yeah. This is where we're at right now. This video is only a minute.
Wow.
Feels like forever. So, do you want to actually get some footage of us trying to figure out what to do?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Alright. Bam. Pro setup time. That don't work. Ah! What?
We took out that pipe in the middle. Right?
Yeah.
Right here. It looked like it could go down more, but if you didn't want to weld, maybe we can make a hook that can hook onto here, and then the chain's what's pulling it down, keeping it on.
Or we could just drill through the rest of this hole and screw it.
Yeah. Are you wanting to use this?
I think it'd be a good idea to use it.
Which way should we do it? Should we
I think-
mount it like that?
I think cutting the middle part out and maybe bending it.
Or it could be mounted like that?
Or
Or you can cut the metal out. And it could go down further like that. So, many options here.
Alright, flip it back around.
Like this?
Yes. And I think cutting that middle part out. And maybe either cutting one of these bolt holes out and like so it won't be as chunky. And maybe adding some supports right here to go to there.
This is some solid rubber tires.
Yeah, that looks totally solid.
This should be a boring show.
Yes. Hi, I'm Phil Swift here with Flex Tape. Ah.
So, you got anything to cut this with?
Yeah, I got a torch, but
The torch melts stuff and cut stuff.
yeah. It melts it so it can get cut. You mean like bolt cutters? Cause I don't think we're gonna be able to cut through that with bolt cutters.
Do you have a bike with an already existing back on it? Like, that comes back here?
No. Except for my mom's, but that's like a flimsy back.
There's no back on it.
Well, it's the cover that goes over the wheel.
It's over. Yeah, okay. It's a nice day outside.
It is. Wow, it's 4 minutes already by doing nothing. Wow, we're great at YouTube.
Yeah, I don't know if a lot of people are going to watch this.
Probably not, but what should we call it? Project Blank.
I don't know. We're trying not to rip off Project Binky, which is another good show.
Yeah, it's a really good show.
We don't have all the kind of stuff they do.
Yeah. Also, as you can see, those pedals, that were there are removed. And so this is what it is now. I was trying to unscrew the pedal, but it wasn't working. And so I just beat it off with a sledgehammer and then pulled it through there. And then my dad told me that it was left-hand thread. So that just sucks.
So now all we basically got is a frame that rolls.
Yeah.
So,
With a chain on it that needs to be removed.
and some sketchy looking brakes.
Listen, that back brake right there is right here because I had to re-put the freaking
But look, you can just
tire
squeeze
back on.
it. It's not.
Yeah, Danny, you could freaking squeeze on it and it works. Yeah, look, it's freaking squeezing.
Come over here.
Well, that's because the other brake pedal isn't on. Fine.
Dude,
Uh,
much June bugs are in there.
Yeah. Here, let's get some footage of the chainsaw running. We actually got it to work. Here, you became running.
6 minutes, wow.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Why do you Oh yeah! I kid you not, it took us at least 50 times to get it to go first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was actually a miracle. Wow.
Yeah, that was pretty lucky for the video.
So, the plan here is Austin does not want to use this chain.
No.
Doesn't want to use it.
Listen, this gear needs to be as small as it can be. It's as small as it can be right now. And that gear, this isn't the gear. Like, the gear's like right in here.
I'm just, filming it.
And that chain can't fit on that gear. Only the chainsaw chain can fit on that gear. But I think the chainsaw chain might be able to fit in those spokes.
And what if it does not?
Then I'll figure something out. Well, we will.
Here's the other candidate for an engine. It's got
That's
a
not
busted
the other
gas tank.
candidate. That's the engine that you want.
I know, but, just in case, it's missing a carburetor. So, who knows?
So,
Hope you know how to edit.
oh yeah, I know how to edit. Well, we're gonna keep everything in because this is a true show and stuff. Like, it's not fake.
Nobody wants to watch an hour of hacking or welding. Like a little montage of it.
It's not gonna be an hour, dude. That takes like 5 minutes.
That almost hit me.
So did this. And that.
No, don't do that. So, what do you think? We should use this thing right here? Out of the scrap pile?
Leave your entries in the comments below.
There's only gonna be like one person to comment.
Yeah, and they're gonna be like, your video's terrible. Get off YouTube.
What's wrong? Look, Austin might make a trailer out of this.
Yeah, dude. You want to talk about some politics?
No?
Why not?
There's some chickens over there.
Ow.
Little chickies.
Those chickens. How's it going, dude?
So yeah. This is what we gotta work with.
Yeah, and it's terrible.
And that's the chainsaw motor we're gonna do. And use.
And as you can see, like, there's a little bit of leakage here. That actually comes out of here. This thing. It lubricates the chain, which is one of the reasons why I chose this motor, because it like pre-lubricates your chain. Like, you don't need to do it yourself.
Is it supposed to do that though?
Yeah, look. Here's the lube container thingy. Can't really see in there.
Yeah, I don't think you can really see in there.
Anyways, that's where the lubricant goes for the chain. Fuck. Oh, there we go. Alright. So, wait, that's not on all the way.
Brought to you by Still.
No! No free sponsorships. We're not even a big enough
Free?
channel. Yeah.
Yeah, we're not sponsored by Still, but
Wish we were.
if you guys want to sponsor us, you know.
If anybody watches our YouTube channel, they're gonna be like, "Oh, you're screwing it the wrong way, you freaking idiot."
Yeah, this thing's grody. That's all like the oil we found on it. Blech.
What?
It's weird.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. Freaking Danny. Yeah.
We're at 10 minutes, by the way.
I don't care. We'll keep it going.
Do you really want to upload this?
You know what? Freaking fine. Shut it off. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna try and get this screw back on. And subscribe, please. We need it.